Dealing with a CD that won't eject? This is a common issue, especially in older vehicles. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these simple fixes. First, manual eject. Locate the small pinhole on the CD player's faceplate. Straighten a paperclip and gently insert it to manually release the CD tray. Second, power cycle. Turn your car's ignition off. Wait a few minutes and then turn it back on. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve software glitches. Third, fuse check. Consult your car's manual to identify the fuse for the radio or infotainment system. A blown fuse can prevent the eject mechanism from working. Replace the fuse if necessary. These steps address the most common causes without requiring disassembly. If the initial steps don't work, the problem may be mechanical or require more advanced troubleshooting. If you're comfortable, you can try carefully disassembling the CD player after disconnecting the car battery to inspect the eject mechanism for obstructions or misaligned gears. Lubricating the gears with silicone spray can sometimes help. However, given that car CD players are becoming obsolete, consider whether a repair is worthwhile. Parts are increasingly scarce, and the trend is towards digital streaming. Upgrading to a modern head unit with Bluetooth or USB connectivity might be a more practical long-term solution, especially considering the environmental benefits of reducing reliance on physical media. If DIY isn't your thing, professional diagnostics are always an option, but weigh the cost against the value of a CD player in today's automotive landscape.